The Rebound is our effort at KSBY to shine a light on resources to help our community recover from the economic side effects of the pandemic. As many people look for ways to save money, mortgage brokers are being flooded with questions about home refinancing. I spoke with a local loan officer to find out some answers.
The kids are actually having a good time. They do miss school.
It's recess in the Feldman San Luis Obispo backyard. Dad Isaac is filling the role of teacher, parent, and small business owner simultaneously.
I mean, like everybody else, we've taken a hit, and so we're definitely trying to budget, and that's why we're excited about this refinance, because it's going to save us quite a bit of money.
After 4 years in their home, the Feldmans saw the historically low interest rates and decided it was a good time to refinance.
Our monthly mortgage payment was going to go down dramatically. So it's kind of a no-brainer.
Flagstaff Bank mortgage loan officer Landon Spittler helped the Feldmans bring down their monthly mortgage payment. He's advising all homeowners to consider the potential savings.
The average would be somewhere between $100 and $500 per month.
The total savings will depend on your principal balance and the amount of interest you'd be saving. Here's what else you need to consider about a home refi. One of the first steps is having an appraisal done, and that'll cost you.
Most refinances still do require an appraisal. However, there's an increasing amount that will allow for an appraisal waiver. When a refinance does require an appraisal, an average cost right now might be somewhere between $500 and $1,000.
Know that refinancing requires a credit inquiry, which may cause a temporary dip in your credit score.
For most people, it's really nothing to worry about.
And Spittler says don't stress too much about your credit score.
You don't have to have great credit, you just have to have good credit.
Another misconception he hears:
you have to have 20% down payment or 20% equity. Not true. You can do a refinance with as little as 3% equity.
So what documents do you need to have to apply?
Tax returns, pay stubs, and bank statements.
Pre-COVID, the refinancing process would take about a month. Now,
processing times have increased along with the volume. So volume's up many times over what it would have been just a few months ago. And so because of that, processing times, depending on the exact loan type, can be between 30 and 90 days.
Spittler says the mortgage industry has made many changes just since March when the pandemic hit.
So I would really recommend anyone to reach out to a local mortgage professional like us to discuss their exact situation to determine how they can move forward.
For the Feldman family, the savings are significant.
We're hoping to save somewhere in the $400 a month range. It's always nice to have your mortgage payment lowered.
For those who have been laid off or furloughed, you unfortunately will not qualify for a home refi without proof of employment.